Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the first 5 notes on a clarinet. I'll be going over how to play them and the finger positioning for each of those 5 notes. Now you can learn any 5 notes on the clarinet, but these are what I recommend to be the first 5 notes because they're very linear, they're very progressive, very easy to learn, and very easy to practice your embouchure to play them properly. So we're going to be going over C, D, E, F, and G, okay? So we're going to be climbing the scale C, D, E, F, and G, okay? Really sort of like notes in the middle, really easy to learn the finger positioning and to actually play them. They're easy to use your lips properly. So you want to start off by holding your clarinet. Obviously, I'm going to angle this downwards. Now for your C, essentially you're going to get your left thumb. You're going to plug up that back hole over there where you rest your left thumb. And then on the front here, you're going to plug up holes numbers 1, 2, and 3 and plug them up really well, okay? And that's going to be your C note. So you're going to have your C note. What you want to do is get your lips, grip them around the mouthpiece, make sure your reed is nice and moist, and just try and play that note. Okay, the next note is going to be your D, which is the same thing, but you lift off your ring finger. So you plug up the back hole with your thumb, and then just 1 and 2, okay, with your left hand. That's going to be your D, okay? It's going to sound like this. The next one is going to be your E, which is you lift up your middle finger now. So the back hole is plugged up, and then just hole number 1 at the front. That's going to be your E, okay? It's going to sound like this. Okay, the next one is going to be F, which is you're going to raise off your index finger, and it's just the back hole. So just your thumb. Your left thumb is plugging up the back hole. It's going to sound like this, your F. And last but not least is going to be your G, which is open. Just everything is going to be open. You're not even plugging up the back hole. I'm just going to hold it up here to show you I'm not plugging anything up. And it's going to sound like this. Okay, now if you play them one after the other, which is why I chose these as the first 5 notes, and most clarinet players will teach these, and most clarinet teachers will teach these as the first 5 notes, is because you plug up your left thumb and your left 3 fingers, okay, and you just raise them up one by one. It's going to look and sound something like this as we progress up the scale, okay? Sorry about that. I got a little bit nervous there. I do apologize. I'm going to raise this up so you can see my face. I don't have to bend over all the time, okay? So it's going to sound like this as we progress up the scale, and then I'll go back down as well. Sorry about that. I do apologize. We'll try that one more time. I'll go a little bit faster. Very simple. That easy to do. One by one. Try that one more time. I was pushing this a little bit, I do apologize, but those are the first 5 notes that you should learn on the clarinet in my opinion. They're really easy to do. As an added bonus, for those of you that stay tuned till the end over here, I'm going to show you that you can do those 5 notes, and then you can also just start to plug up additional holes with your right hand to go lower. So if you start with the first note that we learned, which was C, I can just plug up more holes going down to go lower, okay? So I'm gonna go to my middle finger, then my first top 2 fingers, and then my 3rd finger over here with my right. So check this out. From the C, we're gonna go lower now. Check this out. This is a bonus for those of you that stay tuned. Okay, so for those of you that stay tuned till the end, there's your bonus. And if you watch this, comment below to let everyone else know that they should watch the bonus material as well at the end. Yeah, just a little bonus for those of you that wanted to stay till the end. It's really appreciated. And that's basically it. Those are how to play the first 5 notes with the finger positioning on the clarinet. An easy clarinet tutorial for absolute beginners. And even if you've played for a while and you just want to learn something extra, this can be for you as well. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.